Alright guys, we are back in Free Code Camp in basic algorithm scripting, the Bonfire section, on one called confirm the ending. So let's go ahead and get started here. So what we're basically trying to do is use the substring method to find out if a word is in our string, or a letter ends with it rather. So if it ends in an N, in this case, it should return true. So we want to return true for everything, and obviously we'll get some stuff, but it's not working. So let's go ahead and start off by, we want to have a place to start. So we want to say var start is equal to the length of our string minus our target dot length. So in this case, our target is our N and our string is the bastion. So in this case we'd have BASTIN, so we'd have 6. So if, next thing we need to do is just do a simple if statement. All we're doing is comparing and contrasting, so we don't need a for loop for here. So if our string dot substring, so if you're not familiar with the substring it is, it starts at one point and then it goes on. So we're going to start here, and then we're going to say if the reason that we start with the start variable is because we are actually checking from we're just checking the end of the string. So that's why we have to subtract the target from that. And then we're going to say if that, and you go to the end of the string, so start at the 6th position, so start here. So start here and then go to the end, which is here. Are they equal? So that's basically what's going on here. So we're going to get the length of the original string, and then we're going to say, is this equal to the target? And if it is, we want to return true. Else, return false. We can throw an else in here, just it will work either way, but just so that if feels nice. And then when we run it, boom, good to go. So let's go ahead and put some comments in here. Let's take this out real quick. And what we can do is we'll put a variable var for just comparing end of string. So what we're doing is we're getting the length of the string and then we're minusing how long our target is so that we start there, so we don't have to iterate through it. And then our if statement compares end of string with the target string, and that's pretty much it. So it took me a little while to get this perfect like this. I was doing for loops and all this craziness, and then I just kind of thought about it for a second. So just think you could have done it with a for loop and the array.join, and it would have been a lot more complicated. We were able to do it in about 13 lines of code here, 12 lines if we subtract here. So that is Bonfire confirm the ending. Pretty quick one, but can be very tricky. And in the next video, it looks like we will be working on how to repeat a string. So I'll see you guys then, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps me out a ton, and I appreciate all the comments that I get and all the questions I get in the comments, and I'm happy to answer them, so keep them coming, and I'll see you in the next video.